Alright guys, I am back today with another video, and this one is going to be brought to you by the company RiriHair. Of course, if you aren't subscribed to my channel, you need to go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn those notifications on so that you do not miss a video. In my box was a rat tail comb, also an edge brush and some foam rollers, and also a wig cap. Now this unit does have a nice elastic band to it, an adjustable elastic band. You can remove that if it does not work out for you. This unit that they sent over today is their Yaki Straight Bob Wig. I do have the length 14 inches. It is in a natural color. The density is 150%. They also give you 4.5 inches of parting space, and I have a medium cap size. Now this unit does come pre-plucked. You also get your knots bleached, and this is a light brown lace color. One thing that I automatically noticed about this unit was that the color on it was a very nice natural color, and it definitely comes off more brown in the sunlight. Of course, you can definitely rock this unit straight out of the package since most of the stuff is done for you. I did not notice any smell or anything, so if you just wanted to flat iron it and, you know, define your part, you could do that. Now, I did go ahead and wash my unit using my Aussie Moist shampoo and conditioner, and I did remove that elastic band. On my previous RiriHair video, I did let you guys know that it was a little bit uncomfortable because of where they placed it at. So I wanted to make sure that I enjoyed this unit because I do plan on wearing it out for the day. So I did not want to have to worry about any types of headaches, and I felt like it fit my head really good. I feel like their mediums fit really well. They do offer other sizes with their units, which is a small and a large. However, you guys know I do have a smaller head, and I do feel like if I would have ordered the small, it would have been very snug and uncomfortable. So just make sure you guys are reading reviews and see what other people say about their cap sizes so that you can get the correct one. Sure, I pinned the hair back. I'm going to work on cutting off the lace on this unit. Now, cutting the lace off, I didn't have an issue with working with the lace. I did not have to go in on the side and also cut down by the ear tab. However, I did have to make sure I adjusted the wig properly because of where they sew that piece where the adjustable elastic band goes. It's kind of like sitting right behind the ear. So you want to make sure you adjust it well so you can make sure you don't have to cut off anything extra. So as you guys can see, the parting space looks really good. You will not have to go in and pluck out any hairs within the parting space. I'm happy that they didn't make this super thick in the very front. One thing I do not like is having a thick density within the parting space area because then you have to take more work to make sure that it lays really flat. Now this is only 4.5 inches of parting space. I do wish that it was 6 inches, but they do offer the 6 inch in the full lace wig option. So hopefully they will come out with a 6 inch lace front wig option, but you can also pick 5.5 inches of parting space for other wigs on their site, but this one only comes in the 4.5 inch. We'll be taking my RiriHair wax stick and also the hot comb and my Kaposi flat iron, and I'm just going to start working on making sure that in the parting space that it lays down really good, and also kind of adding a little bit of heat to this hair. No, I have tried tons of kinky straight units. Those are my go-tos. I love the way it looks. So I'm starting to get more into the whole Yaki Straight look because it requires less work. And especially in the summertime, you know, with kinky straight, it poofs up really quick. But this one does not require too much heat to it, which I absolutely love. You can wear the Yaki Straight unit after it is freshly washed and dried. As you guys seen when I first put it on, that was with no heat to it. So if you are in a rush and you just want to walk out the house and kind of just throw a little serum on it, you don't have to keep worrying about adding heat and worrying about it throughout the week if it's going to look too frizzy. It definitely gives you that nice sleek press look and also the fresh relaxer look. So as you guys can see, every time that I part the hair, I am taking my RiriHair wax stick and putting a little bit throughout the parting space because I did notice some longer pieces. There were some shorter, longer pieces at the top, but I wanted them to lay down and not worry about them flying up everywhere. So that wax stick is going to keep it in place. I'm also noticing that this is taking really well to heat as far as in the parting space. It's laying down really good because it's not tightly packed and it doesn't have a lot of hair throughout the parting space. Easy to switch your parting space up with no issues without having to put too much work in. I'm also going to show you guys at the very end of the video what it looks like in a middle part, because after I was done styling this, I decided to wear a middle part throughout the day because I did not want too much hair in my face, so you guys will see that. But when I switched the parting space around, it literally took me like 5 minutes to do it. Other side, I'm going to add a little bit of heat to it. Now, I did not bump this underneath a lot because I like the way that it looked. It's a nice blunt cut to it. And I also did not try to curl this unit in case somebody does decide to ask me. I left it in its natural state. So now I'm just going to go in with my Ruby Kisses 3D Contour Creator Powder Palette in the color Light Medium. And I'm just going to go around the hairline. Now, as you guys can see, I am not putting any adhesive on this unit. I'm just going to wear it out like it is. And I had no problems throughout the day with it slipping and sliding. It actually stayed in place. And I did not use the combs in case somebody does ask. Didn't add too much powder into the parting space because it was not needed. Also, I did notice that it was looking a little bit orange throughout the day. And on top of my dark cap, and then they bleached the knots already, I just came home that night and added some purple shampoo, and I left it on for about 20 minutes, and that knocked the brassiness out. So with this unit, as you guys can see, the texture is nice. I did notice those very small crimps through the unit. You guys can see probably when I turn around, you'll see it more. But it wasn't too bad to where it came off unnatural. It is totally up to you because some light Yaki units do have those small crimps to it. As far as the density goes, you get a very good amount of hair. This is definitely 150%. Now, the 14 inches I have, I feel is nice, perfect for every day, but they do offer a 12-inch also. It just depends on exactly where you want your unit to fall, and I am only 5'2", so I felt like it hit me perfect, but a 12-inch would have been nice also. As shedding and tangling goes, I did not get a lot of tangles with this unit. It was really easy for me to wear throughout the day, and I'll try to insert some pictures in also. And then with this unit, as far as shedding goes, I did notice a little bit of shedding throughout the day. So guys, let me know what you think about this unit. I definitely prefer to rock it in the middle part because I didn't have to worry about any hair in my face. Always, if you are interested, I'll make sure to leave all the links down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, guys. Once again, share and like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.